Are you bored with the same old rectangular tarps? Today I will show you how to set up a large Octagon tarp all by yourself like a pro. Unlike traditional tarps, the Octagon design offers better wind resistance, a sleek eye-catching shape, perfect Instagram-worthy look. I'm Ethan, welcome to Ethan Horizon. Today I'm working with a large 4.5x5.5m tarp which can easily fit 10 to 15 people. So let's go. Start by laying down your Octagon tarp. Use a compass to align the main post north-south and the sides east-west. This keeps your entrance from harsh afternoon sunlight and excessive heat. But if you are in a windy area, align the tarp entrance with the wind direction. Otherwise, your tarp could catch the wind like a sail and become unstable. Place some weight at the center of the tarp to prevent it from being blown away by strong wind. Tie two guylines to each end of the tarp, where the post will stand. Walk 90 degrees away from the tarp entrance to align the guylines with the orientation of the entrance. Repeat this process for the opposite side. Next, attach guylines to the 6 remaining eyelets. For the middle sides, walk 90 degrees away from the tarp. For the corners, angle your walk at 45 degrees from the tarp. This ensures the tarp is evenly supported. Go back to the post. Take one guideline and walk 45 degrees outwards from the post position. Tips for you. Align the guideline pointing to the opposite middle side. You will get a perfect 45 degrees angle. Repeat with the other guideline, ensuring even support. Do the same for the opposite pole. Then hammer down the 10 sticks about 6 to 8 steps away from each pole position. Loosely attach the tensioner guidelines to the sticks. Repeat this process for the opposite pole. Assemble your poles. Place them under the tarp and insert the pole tips into the designated eyelet holes. Do this for both sides. Now it is time to remove the weight and raise the poles. Once you have lifted the poles, they should remain stable. If the poles aren't standing upright, adjust by loosening the guidelines or moving the sticks closer to the tarp. Now you can make it stand vertically. Remember to tighten the tension. We want the ridgeline as taut as possible. Next, stack out the remaining guidelines, starting with the 2 middle sides for better structure. Follow with the 4 corners. For a perfect setup, ensure each guideline points directly towards the center of the tarp. Adjust the tension on the guidelines for a smooth and taut finish. And that's it. You have now set up a standard Octagon tarp. This airframe setup is one of the most popular and practical configurations. However, there is another setup known as the Croissant design, where the middle of the ridgeline dips down and both sides curl up, resembling a croissant. It is visually striking, and I will show you how to achieve it. First, remove all guidelines from the 10 sticks, except for those attached to the main poles. In the airframe setup, the ridgeline is flat and straight. To create this croissant design, loosen the guidelines on both main poles slightly. You will notice the ridgeline begins to dip in the center. Next, extend the remaining 6 guidelines as far away from the tarp as possible and stick them out. Ensure each guideline points directly towards the tarp center for symmetry. At this stage, apply just a light pulling force to secure them in place. Now you should be able to see the tarp starting to form the signature croissant shape. Finally, tighten all guidelines to perfection. And that's it. You have successfully set up the croissant design tarp. Alternatively, you can add 2 shorter poles to create a butterfly shape, offering both added stability and aesthetically pleasing design. Another option is to set one side higher than the other, creating a design that resembles a flying squirrel. Get creative, and you might be surprised by what your tarp can become. Okay, that is all for today. I hope you find this helpful. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.